Hello everyone. Today Woyu bring you the Goldshell KA BOX PRO miner review. This miner is an upgraded version of KA BOX. Let's get to know it better. Open the box. Inside is a KA BOX PRO miner. Take out the miner. Take out the other accessories in the box. The following is the content of all the items in the box. Their machine weighs about 2.56 kilograms, including packaging weighs about 3 kilograms. Goldshell KA BOX PRO supports kHeavyHash algorithm and can mine KAS cryptocurrencies, with an hash rate of 1.6 T, power of 600 watt, the parameters are excellent. Next let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the network cable, plug in the plug and turn on the power switch. After powering on, you can see that the miner is running normally. The actual hash rate is 1.6 T when the power consumption is about 600 watt, the noise is about 35 decibels, power consumption and quiet performance are very good. How to set up the miner so that it can work normally? Open the Goldshell official website, click support, click the following tab to find the miner we are now connected to. Enter the settings of the miner, fill in the mining address and miner name, save. The mining machine will run for about 10 minutes, and the background of the mining pool will display various parameters, including hash rate, income, and so on. According to the KAS price of $0.1681 on June 14, 2024 and the mining difficulty of 3.22 T, the daily profit of KA BOX PRO 1.6 T miner is about $7.41. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. KA BOX PRO is KA BOX upgraded model. The key parameters have been greatly upgraded. First of all, the hash rate has been significantly increased to 1.6 T. At the same time the power consumption has also increased to 600 watt, with the corresponding increase in the power supply interface cable accessories, but also added a more convenient Wi-Fi connectivity. The following is a detailed comparison of the key parameters. Summary: Goldshell KA BOX PRO 1.6 T miner is a high hash rate, low power consumption, silent miner. The power consumption per T hash rate is 350 watt. The miner supports KAS mining, has a compact shape, good returns, and can be adapted to mining in a variety of environments such as home and company. With its powerful 1.6 TH/s arithmetic power and convenient Wi-Fi connectivity, Goldshell KA BOX PRO becomes an ideal choice for those who pursue higher mining efficiency. By miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.